So it's like kind of like a cycle. You start using one thing and then that thing doesn't really work anymore, so you go to the next thing and then that doesn't really work anymore, or it's really a downward spiraling cycle. It's very dangerous. It's not fun. So addiction does sneak up on you. Like when I first started smoking spice, I never thought I was going to get addicted to drugs. I never thought I was going to start doing triple C's. I didn't think I'd go to cocaine and going from smoking spice just like once a week to smoking every day. So it can sneak up on you. And yeah, so every time I felt bad, it's what I turned to. And it did make me feel better, but it just really got to the point where like it made my life worse instead of making it better. At first it was fun, and then it turned into more of like, I need this drug or else I'm gonna be sad all the time. And then it turned into like my family found out I was using, and it was like a huge problem. It caused a lot of problems in my life that weren't there before. My family was mad. I wasn't doing good in school anymore. I went from getting straight A's to like getting D's and failing. I wasn't going to school. I would go to school high and they would know I was high and they'd kick me out of school for the day or suspend me. I lost all of my friends. My family didn't trust me anymore. It was really sad. It was really sad to think about. Just getting fights with my family a lot, which wasn't healthy. So I would tell myself I'm gonna get sober, and then I would not get sober. I had big dreams. I got straight A's. I was gonna go to Harvard, right? I was gonna go to Harvard. That was my biggest dream. Go to Harvard and I was gonna be a lawyer. Now that's impossible now because I didn't get good grades for the last couple of years of my life. But I was straight A's my whole life. So some red flags that you can see in yourself, I think, is like if you're kind of isolating yourself, like you can tell you're like really not that happy, sleeping all day. That stuff can lead you to doing drugs in the future. So if you see yourself isolating, you see yourself staying in your room all day, you're not really talking to anybody, then I would go out and do something different with your life. I would maybe go to the dog park, walk your dog, go to the gym, go work out, do something that'll make those chemicals in your brain come out that make you happier, instead of turning to drugs. I never wanted my Nana to know that I was using drugs. I didn't want her to look at me differently. So I was definitely experienced a lot of shame, and I didn't want to tell any of my family. I didn't want my brother to know, because I knew that they might look at me differently, and in reality they didn't. They just wanted to help, and they still don't look at me differently. They're just happy to see me doing good now. I was angry all the time. I'd try to fight my brother, fist fight him. I would throw things. I would scream all the time, especially if I didn't have my drug that I wanted that day. I was just always wicked upset, not the person I am today. You see me now and I'm very nice. I don't talk to people like that. I don't talk to my Nana like that. I don't talk to my brother like that. Me and my brother are best friends now. We hang out all the time. My life has gotten so much better since I stopped using drugs, and I was a completely different person when I did use them. Things that contributed to my relapsing would probably be me thinking I can go to this party and not do anything, just have a fun night and be sober and just talk to everybody who's drinking in front of me, and that was definitely something that I shouldn't have done.